What's up, everybody? It's Braxton. I got a quick lathe tip for you. If you've ever been working on a bowl and you have to take it out of the chuck, one good thing to do is mark your jaws in relation to the bottom of the bowl. So that way, when you take it out, you'll have a good reference for where to put it back in. Sometimes it's kind of critical. If you don't get it exactly right, your bowl might not be centered when you put it back in there. In this case, it doesn't really matter because I'm working on this eucalyptus bowl, and as you can see, it's already pretty warped, which is awesome. I did it green to finish. I'm filling a crack right now with some synthetic sand, so keep an eye out for that video in the future. But yeah, it's just a good practice to get into. Mark the bottom of your bowl with the number of your jaws or something that lets you know how to put it back in there properly. That way you can kind of avoid having to return the outside of the bowl and true it up. You get it exactly where it was before. You don't have to worry about it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to me. Tell your friends. Comment down below. I want to talk to you. Let me know what you think of the video.